Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Web Tech Tutorial. Today in this video you are going to learn how to sign up on your Bumble online dating app. But before starting the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these tutorials. First of all, you have to go to bumble.com. So this is the official website of Bumble. Here you can see this sign in and sign up page. So if you're new to Bumble, then you have to click on join. We can sign up on Bumble with our Facebook account, or we can use our phone number too. So let's click on use cell phone number. So now we have to enter our number in this box. Let's click continue. So now Bumble will send you a 4-digit code on your mobile phone. Enter the number here. And if you didn't get the code, click on this link and Bumble will send you the code again. So let's click on continue now. Type in a password that you desire. So here type in your name, any name that you want on your Bumble profile. Click on continue. Here set your birth date. Click on continue. Select your gender. So this is the last step of your signing up on Bumble. So you need to upload a picture of yourself. You can also download your picture from your Facebook and Instagram directly. And also here's an option. You can also upload your pictures from your computer. Drop your picture here and you are finally done creating an account on Bumble. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more of these short and easy tutorials.